How are you, my dear students? Let's start our second lesson. So let us see, my students, what are we going to learn in lesson number 2? In this lesson, my students, we're going to add ing to verbs ending with e. So, my students, I have verbs. Those verbs ending with e. And I want to add ing to these verbs. Okay? What shall we do? Let's start. Before we go there, my students, let us look at two verbs we have here, two groups of verbs. As you can see, my students, the first group is verbs end with e. Look to these verbs, my students. All of these verbs end with e. Write, come, like, smile, ride. All of them end with what, my students? All of them end with what? With e, as you can see. Here I have verbs that don't end with e, like eat, speak, talk, do, and go, and many other verbs. So, what I care about is this group of verbs. The verbs end with e. How can I add ing to them? What shall I do? So, let's see. Look, my students, here. Let's explore here. Look at the table. Make. Do you see this verb, my students? The verb make. It ends with e. I added ing to make. What happened? What happened, my students? Very good. I deleted the e. So I deleted the e and I add ing. Making. Let us look here also. Right. Right. I have e here at the end. When I add ing, there is no e, so I deleted the e also. Is that clear, my students? Look here, smile. When I add ing, look here after L, there is no e, so I deleted the e here. I add ing. Move, the same. There is no e, so I deleted the e and I added ing. Dance, dancing. What happens when we add ing to verbs ending with e? Very good. What happens? We delete. We delete, my students. We delete the e. And what after that, my students? And add, sorry, my students, and add ing. We delete the e and add ing. Now, my students, I want you to come back here to these verbs, as you can see here. Let us add ing to like. We will add ing to like together. How can I add it? I will write I write e? No, I don't write the e. Like, I add directly ing because I will delete the e. Let's look to come here. So I will write come. Do I add e? No, I will not add the e. I will delete it and I will add ing. The same with writing. Right? I will not write the E. I will add directly ing. Let us look here, smile. I will write like that, smiling. I deleted the E. And also riding, and I deleted the E and I added the ing. Now, my students, here, choose the verb and write a sentence. Choose any verb. Here I have three verbs, my students. Make, write, Dance. What is the correct verb here, my students? What's the correct verb? Very nice. Look at the girl. She is making something? No. She is writing? No. She is dancing? Yes. So the correct verb is dance. Now let's write the sentence. We start our sentence with what, my students? With the subject. So, who is this? She is a girl. So we can say what? We say she. After she, we have verb to be. What is the verb to be? The verb to be is she is. She is what, my students? She is, yes, very good. She is dancing. Don't forget the follow stop. Now, let us look at picture number 2. Look at this girl. What is the correct verb? Write, dance, or make? Very good. The correct verb is right. So, what is the subject here I have? Also, I'm talking about a girl. That's mean she. The verb to be is. She is writing. She is writing. Now, my students, I want you to write this sentence. I want you to write this sentence about this boy. Choose the verb. What is the verb? The correct verb. Write, smile, or move. Is he writing? No. Is he moving? No. He is smiling. Now I want you to write the sentence, my students.